Hey guys, I'm back with another tutorial video. In this following tutorial, I will be guiding you on how to create Instagram avatar on your device. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end. Before getting started, make sure to update your Instagram application to the latest version and also make sure to check your internet connection. So without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, open up your Instagram application. And then after you open up your Instagram application, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next page, you will be directed into profile page. So then tap on the try bar icon in the top right. And as you tap on it, there's a drop down menu. So from there, tap on settings. As you tap on settings, there are multiple options. So make sure to tap on account, which is right in between. Once again, on the other page, you have a multiple option. So over here, you'll have to tap on avatar, which is right in between or on the fifth option. Now you are getting started, so then select your skin tone. So you can see there are multiple shades, so then tap on accordingly as the avatar must look similar to you. So just tap on your skin tone and then tap on next. After you're done selecting your skin tone, now you'll have to select your hairstyle. Do it accordingly for male and female. So as I'm a female, so I'll go with the long hair. So then after you're done selecting your hairstyle, so then swipe towards your left hand side. So now you'll have to select your face marking. Now if you have any kind of feature on your face or any kind of freckles or any kind of spot on your face, so you can select it from here. So you can see that you have a multiple options, so do it accordingly. After you're done with face marking, once again swipe towards your left hand side. So now you'll have to select the color of your eye. So make sure to do it accordingly. And after you're done, once again swipe towards your left hand side. Now you'll have to select the shape of your eyebrow. So you can see you have a multiple option. And if you like any other feature, then you can do that as well. Once again swipe towards your right hand side. In case you wear any kind of props such as eyeglasses, then you can select it from here. Since I don't wear it, then just swipe towards your left hand side once again. Now select the shape of your nose. And once you're done, once again swipe towards the left hand side. You can even customize your body shape. You can see there are multiple options. All you have to do is just swipe towards the left hand side and then explore all the features that is available right over here. And after you're done creating your character, just tap on the done icon in the top right. So you can see right in center there's a pop-up, and in case if you want to save these changes, just tap on save changes, and in case if you want to continue editing, just tap on continue editing. Since I'm done with creating my avatar character, all I have to do is tap on save changes. You can see that my avatar character has been built, and now all I have to do is tap on next, which is right at the bottom. Now in case if you want to switch your profile or your profile ID with avatar, then just tap on sync profile info, and in case if you don't want to do it, then just tap on not now. As you can see that my avatar character has been built, and in order to use it or in order to see whether the character has been built or not, what you can do is just tap on your story. So then you'll have to take a picture, but for now I'll just select it from the gallery. And once you're done taking a picture, all you have to do is tap on the icon in the top right, which is right in center, and then on the search box type in avatar. You can see that my avatar has been created, and these are all the stickers you can use it on. So that is how you can create avatar on your Instagram account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.